we have with us Ms. Shefali Tripathi, who is the Director and CEO of Career Genie Consulting Private Limited. Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Hi, Vatika. I'm good. Thank you so much.
All right, ma'am. So, before entering into the questions, tell us something about yourself and your professional role.
Thank you, Vatika. Vatika, being an entrepreneur, I have traveled a tough and unconventional path to be where I am today. I started my career as a production manager in a garment export factory, and I used to handle male workers to now running a successful HR recruitment and consulting enterprise in New Delhi. These 20 plus odd years have been packed with learning and finding that fine balance between personal and professional life. I'm a recruitment strategist now and a trainer. I'm also an author, and I've catered to more than 1,000 clients in India, APAC, and Africa. On the personal front, I am a fitness enthusiast, a sportswoman, a proud mother of two amazing daughters of 19 and 14. I established Career Genie in 2002 with a dual mission. The first one was to help entrepreneurs build successful businesses by helping them build ninja teams. And second was by empowering women by way of making them self-reliant.
That's really great, ma'am. Moving ahead, I'm very keen to know that how did this idea came into your mind of getting into this particular business?
Vatika, in my understanding, an ace warrior needs a capable team of soldiers to win a war. As an employee, 2 decades ago, I noticed that despite growth opportunities, leaders were not able to promote and expand businesses because they were trapped in handling petty operational issues all the time themselves. I knew that the domain of textiles and garments needed an honest and sincere recruitment service provider who actually knew the nitty-gritty of this complex domain. I also wanted to empower young girls to help them transform into future leaders. And that's when I started that I should establish Career Genie, which is today almost a 2-decade-old firm.
Right, ma'am. As a matter of fact, we know that starting anything has never been easy for anyone. So, what all were the predicaments and challenges that you had to go through initially during the commencement?
Good question, Radhika. I started Career Genie when my elder daughter was an infant. It was a constant juggle between diapers, spreadsheets, lullabies, feeding time, PowerPoint presentations. There was time when I carried my toddler to office and attended important customer calls while also trying to calm the cranky child. I was inexperienced in terms of both the business and motherhood, balancing, the household work, motherhood, and Career Genie was a giant and a Herculean task. Despite having support at a later stage, it was challenging to find that fine balance. I was often very drained, exhausted, and stressed by the end of the day. Radhika.
But as it is rightly said, all these challenges make a man perfect and very established for his upcoming ventures. Okay, so now moving ahead, ma'am, I'd like you to tell something more about Career Genie Consulting Private Limited, as in what and how it does. How does it cater to people?
Okay, Vatika, Career Genie is a all women led and run boutique recruitment and training firm, which is based out of New Delhi. Whereas recruitment services help leaders build ninja teams so that they can focus on growing the business and the training programs of building recruit right framework helps organizations in building powerful teams across the globe. We have served organizations in India, Bangladesh, Hong Kong, China, UAE, Mauritius, Indonesia, Kenya, Ethiopia, etc., to name a few. Career Genie was nominated for India's 5,000 Best MSME Award for the year 2020. And we also recently, we were awarded Facebook COVID grant by Facebook for our contribution towards the society.
That's really commendable, ma'am. Moving ahead, we all have certain future plans. So, what are your future plans with respect to the organization?
See, Career Genie wants to continue its mission of helping leaders build ninja teams and train firms in building the recruit right framework so that they can, independently by themselves build their own teams. We are currently working on building a network of women to work from home in various countries. Career Genie also intends to build a certified recruitment training institute to help women become more self-reliant and independent so that they can create that fine balance between handling their homes, their children, and they don't have to juggle so much like I did, because I think now the support services and system is much better than we had in our time.
Very well said, ma'am, and we hope that all your future endeavors are successful. Moving ahead, ma'am, I'd like you to tell something about your personal achievement.
Okay, so I have always believed in giving back to the society, or in some form or the other, or helping firms by helping leaders grow by way of building their businesses, as I've already shared with you. But other than these, there have been a couple of other achievements as well. Uh, Career Genie being nominated as 5,000 India's best MSME certification was, I think, a great achievement, and so was Facebook. When I created the Recruit Right framework and I decided to launch the book as well, it has really helped many firms in building their own framework of doing recruitment, for understanding how to actually recruit right. I was awarded a scholarship by Goldman Sachs very recently to, study entrepreneurship, which was designed and delivered by NSR Cell at IIM Bangalore. I have written for a couple of magazines on women entrepreneurship, and the very recent one was written for Cost Accounting Journal of India. The article was released in March 2021, which was very recent. On the academic front, I have been a high achiever as well in academics and on the university and college level. I was a gold medalist also in athletics at school and college level. I volunteer for social causes. I contribute financially also towards building a better society. And last but not the least, I will call it a great achievement to be a positive change maker. I am a die-hard optimist.
First of all, congratulations on winning the Indian Achievers
Thank you.
Award. The feeling of an achiever cannot be better understood except for the person himself. So I really want to know that what was the feeling when you came to know that you have won the Indian Achievers Award, and who all were the constant supporters in this journey of yours?
Vatika, the best thing is that the award itself validates that I'm successfully moving towards my mission and vision of building employers, employees, and future professionals. This recognition is a matter of great pride and fills me with sense of gratitude towards my family, my friends, and all loved ones who stood there with me unconditionally. I would not have been able to do this without my team, of course, who has always showed trust in my leadership and supported me at all times. It's a matter of great pride, Vatika. Thank you so much.
Okay, so ma'am, moving ahead, now since we know a lot about your professional role, tell us something about your social contributions also.
Okay, so Career Genie follows a recruitment model which focuses on helping needy professionals build their business, which itself I think is a great social activity. Being an all-women company, we empower women and help them build self-reliance. In the year 2018, much before actually COVID happened, we introduced the virtual work from home model to accommodate the changing needs of our women employees. From the last 6 years, our team are going on paid vacations in India and overseas, where I always accompany them. We also help children in building clarity on what their future holds by using unconventional ways. Personally, I help girls to build LORs and SOPs, etc., to study in international universities and get scholarships. All this is on pro bono basis. Very recently, Facebook awarded, as I shared earlier as well, a COVID grant, which was a small business grant towards our contribution to society.
That's really appreciable, ma'am. Okay, so before concluding this session, you know that IAF is followed not only by mainstream organizations, but also those young minds who aspire to be like our achievers someday. So, what is that one message you'd like to give them?
Well, if you allow me, I have a couple of messages to give, if not one. I mean, what I really want to tell the younger generation, or the new generation, that if you have won the ovarian lottery, which actually means that you have been born out of a womb of a mother who's hale and hearty, and because of the family background, you got many opportunities to do what you've done in your life in terms of education, etc. So if you have won the ovarian lottery, then you must volunteer for social movements and contribute towards building a better society by helping the underprivileged or the ones who did not win the lottery. The second thing I would want to tell you is please find your ignition, because if you do not have your ignition, you will never have your dreams. And if you don't have your dreams, you will never be able to work towards your dreams. My third is recognize your responsibility as a student, as a future nation builder and contributor to the society. My fourth is when you want rise, please learn also to take responsibility. Last but not the least, the right attitude and optimism is all that you need to be successful.
And that, I must say, ma'am, is a great piece of advice. Thank you so much for joining with us today. It was pleasure talking
Thank
to
you.
you, and we hope that you continue to inspire people of all ages forever. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Vatika, for giving this opportunity. I feel very proud to be here today. Thank you so much.